On the occasion of International Tolerance Day 2025, as chairperson, I joined to the Independent Permanent Human Rights Commission of the Organization of Islamic Cooperation to emphasize that fostering tolerance, mutual respect, and interfaith dialogue is essential for building secure, cohesive, and prosperous societies. The Commission underscores that Islamic values are rooted in justice, equality, and the preservation of human dignity without discrimination, principles that align with international frameworks, including the Universal Declaration of Human Rights and the Vienna Declaration and Program of Action. The Commission, representing 57 member states, reaffirms its commitment to advancing dialogue among civilizations, cultures, and religions in line with the OIC Charter and the Cairo Declaration of the OIC on Human Rights. It further stressed that cultural and religious diversity is a source of strength that should be harnessed to enhance understanding and peaceful coexistence, particularly amid rising global trends of hate speech and intolerance. The Commission calls on media institutions and digital platforms to play a responsible role in promoting moderation and safeguarding societies from incitement and division. It also highlights the importance of engaging women and youth in efforts to strengthen interfaith harmony and foster sustainable social harmony. The Commission reiterates its readiness to work with member states and international partners to advance the values of tolerance and to support initiatives aimed at building inclusive societies that respect diversity and leave no one behind.